With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here we have a question from the chapter Dimension Analysis. Which of the following equations is dimensionally incorrect? We have been given E equals to energy, U equals to potential energy, P equals to momentum, M equals to mass, and V equals to speed. So the things that we have to look out for is E, U, P square by M, mv square. So these are the four typical terms that we have to take care of. So if I talk about the dimension of E and U have the same dimension of energy. P square by M will have a dimension of, we know that momentum has dimension m l t minus 1 whole square divided by m. So the dimension comes out to be m l square t minus 2. And if I talk about the dimension of energy, the dimension of energy is, we can say it as half mv square. So it is m l square t minus 2. So these two have the same dimensions. So if I talk about my expression 1, that is energy equals to energy plus p square by 2m has the same dimension of energy. So as all these dimensions, all these quantities have the same dimension of energy, so this is a dimensionally correct equation. Now if I move on to my second option, it is E equals to mv square plus p square by m. Now E is energy, mv square by m, mv square will also have the dimension of energy because kinetic energy is half mv square, and we have already seen that p square by m also has a dimension of energy. So again these three terms have the dimension of energy, so our expression B is also a dimensionally correct equation. Now moving on to my next option, that is option C, energy equals to energy minus half mv square, that is kinetic energy. So as all the terms have dimension of energy, so this is also a dimensionally correct equation. But moving on to our last option, that is D. D says that E equals to p square u divided by 2m v square. So we know that we have found out p square by m has dimension ml square t minus 2. So its dimension will be ml square t minus 2 multiplied by dimension of u, that is energy, so that is again ml square t minus 2 divided by the dimension of v square, that will be, because we have already occupied p square by m, so just v square is left, and it is nothing but l square t minus 2. So l square t minus 2 is going to cancel out. What will be left? It will be m square l square t minus 2. So this is not the dimension of energy, this is energy, but our RHS does not have the same dimension of energy, it has an extra m in it. So our option D has to be a dimensionally incorrect option. So our option D is going to be the correct answer for the given question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.